Is it ever cold today? I just cannot get warm, even though the fire's lit and I'm virtually hugging the chimney. I just can't get warm at all. So it's just after lunch and I'm going to go home and do some work on the laptop. But last night Les presented an absolutely fabulous demonstration for my Woodturning 360 club. He turned a really nice sort of minaret topped box to illustrate some hollowing techniques using various tools and stuff, and that was really good, and the club seemed to enjoy it very much. I was going to be filming a pen turning video today for the new bite-sized workshop, but I'm just so cold I just can't bring myself to do it. But at least now it has stopped snowing. Just want to get my hands a little bit warmer before I walk home. I've been wanting to add an introduction to hollowing class to the curriculum, as it were, here at the school, and yesterday I had 4 willing volunteers come along to try out the format of a new lesson that will be starting in February. They came along and we turned a little hollow form like that in order to get used to the Simon Hope hollowing tools before we moved on to a larger hollow form that's roughly 4 by 5.5 inches. Everybody had a great day. They learned loads and they went home with their pieces to finish off, and I also learned an awful lot about the pacing of the day, what should be included, what I can possibly take out of it, and also just how the whole day is going to work with just 4 students. It all went virtually completely to plan, and I'm confident that when the first class starts on the 13th of February, it's all going to be really successful. So I'm really looking forward to that. So the last few days since I did anything for Turner's Journey have been really quite busy, with a few little wins to start the year off, which has been really nice and positive. First of all, I've been awarded a provider of training excellence from the people at CPD, the Continued Professional Development people, and they spent about a month and a half reviewing what I do, how I do it, and how I communicate all of the teaching and stuff that I do here at the Woodturning School. And the other day they provided me with my official badge to say that I am now a provider of training excellence, which is really quite a bit of a feather in the old cap, if you know what I mean. I'm really pleased about that. I had to work really hard to get that. I've and as you would have seen from previous episodes of Turner's Journey, I've made some changes to the way the school runs and the communication and stuff that goes out to students, and I've added a few bits and pieces into the lessons as well. So that's really positive. And then last Wednesday or Thursday, I was having a chat with Dan from Taylor's Mirfield, and him and Katie are taking on the Hampshire Sheen gloss finishing wax product, which previously had died with Hampshire Sheen when I closed that last year. So I was chatting with Dan about that, and he's agreed to take on the product, which is really great news, not only for him, but for me, and also the wider woodturning community here in the UK who love that wax. And I'm so pleased that that wax is going to be back on the market fairly soon. And as for the rest of this episode of Turner's Journey, there isn't anything else for this week. Mainly because today's Monday and today should have been the start of a new episode, but I needed to finish off this one. So anyway, thank you very much indeed for watching. I do hope you have had creative weeks and weekends in your workshops, and I'll look forward to seeing you next week for another episode. Cheers. Take care now. Bye-bye.